Inside your reset game function, reassign the dice values array or R variable to an array of 5 zeros. Whoa, how do you do that? So, dice values array to an array of 5 zeros. To an array of what? Array of 5 zeros in JavaScript. Hume. You mean 5 elements? Array. Hmm. Create a zero field. Hmm. Apply no. It's kind of crazy. An array of 5 zeros. Anyways, below that, reassign the variables. Okay. Score to 0. Total score to 0. And then rows to 0. And then the round variable to 1. However, how do you do the dice values reassigned to 0? Perhaps let's copy this one. So, this would be our reference. Let's say the array would be this one. So, let's disregard and apply. There would be null array. Okay, and then create another array with a map number prototype value of anyways, let me just copy this one. Yep. Okay, of course this won't work. Bruh. You should reassign the dice values array to an array of 5 zeros. How do you do that? I'm confused, unga bunga. Array of 5 zeros? Oh, perhaps 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hey, yo, what? Anyways, that would be it. Nice.